Today I'm going to be making a roasted carrot and turnip salad. For this recipe, you're going to need a bunch of turnips. I used Hakurei from the UW farm, about half a cup of carrots, some salt, some honey, and some olive oil. For the dressing, you're going to need some grated garlic, ginger, soy sauce, a lemon, and some olive oil. You're going to want to start off by separating your turnips from the stems and leaves. You can then cut these turnips, depending on size, into quarters, halves, or sixths. Then slice your carrots to around the same size. I then add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use more or less depending on how sweet you'd like them. And then about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix these together. Add some salt. And then put them onto a roasting pan. You're going to want to spread these out so that all of them are touching the surface of the pan. You're then going to add another sprinkle of salt to the top. Roast this for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. You're then going to want to separate your leaves and your stems, and you're going to be using the leaves for the salad. In this recipe, I tried to use every part, so I'm also going to saute the stems of the turnips while my turnips are roasting. I sauteed this with some shallots. I got a pan hot, added the shallots in, then I added in my stems. Let those saute for about 5 minutes on high heat. Added in some soy sauce. And then let that cook for another minute or so. Once that was done, I put that into a bowl to let it cool. I then went on to make my dressing. What you're going to need is about 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about 1/2 tablespoon of grated ginger, about 1/2 tablespoon of grated garlic, and the juice of a whole lemon. Combine this, and that's your dressing. Once your roasted carrots and turnips are done, you're then going to go on to mix your salad. I added in some of my sauteed stems, then added some dressing, and mix that. And add some of your stems and onions. And then add your roasted turnips and carrots. If you want to add a protein, you can do that. Add some tofu or chicken, but the salad is good on its own.